Hey guys, on Christmas morning is when this was filmed, and I woke up that morning and I started thinking about the whole house humidifier, and wondering if it was still working. And I knew we had not taken care of it for a good while, so I mentioned it to LP, and this is what we found. We found the pan was just thick with calcification of the minerals in the hard water. And so I took, and this is just a 5-gallon bucket, and I put soda and vinegar and hot water in the bucket, and I worked with this filter for the Skuttle humidifier, and I got most of that off using the hot water and vinegar and soda. And so then the pan, we scraped and we scraped. It was so hard, just like concrete on the pan. So the drip pan, I guess it's called, and then there's the float, and LP took it off, and I used the vinegar water on that.
Okay. Now it flips down in this hole. This fan will go up. Now it goes back and hooks up to this. If I had a light, I could look at what I'm doing. It goes on like that. Now this goes up over top of that. There was a little white thing on there. It must have went on the floor. It's not in there.